flies, mosquitoes, and cockroaches. Never again do this trick with foil. For today's tip, let's put 3 tablespoons of soluble coffee in a container. Then we will put bay leaves. We will shred them to add. I'm sure you'll thank me after using this tip. Now, let's add 3 tablespoons of paprika and mix everything. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Mickey Like Heel from Louisville. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. After mixing, our tip will be ready. It can be used in 2 ways, but first we will need foil. Let's cut so we can enjoy more for our tip. The smell that exudes through your home will be very pleasant and is what will keep the insects away. Remember that you do not need to cut pieces, neither too large nor too small. Let's put a portion of our mixture on one of the cut pieces. That done, let's wrap this portion, holding this piece of aluminum like this. Do not worry about the amount of items used. This mixture will yield a lot just using a small amount. After folding using a toothpick, we will make holes in our wrapping. That done, we have one of the ways to use this tip. The other way to do this tip is to put a portion of the mixture in a container. This tip is very simple and being one of the best alternatives to end the mosquitoes in your home. The ideal is to use this mixture in places that we most have problems with insects. Then we will wrap the same with one of the cut papers. After our container is well sealed, we will drill holes again in the aluminum part. I'm sure that after using this tip, we'll no longer be bothered by insects in your home. I'm sure your whole family will thank you. In addition to leaving the house fragrant, this tip helps directly in the fight against insects. After that, we have our second tip ready. The coffee mixed with the bay leaves and the paprika exude an aroma strong enough to drive insects away from your home. I'm sure you'll thank me after this video. Be sure to do it at home. And comment if you know any tips, so I can do too. I appreciate you watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.